You need this if you want to get back into leveraging the vast audience in Facebook. Have you heard of the Facebook Professional Mode? This is a reach and feature Meta introduced, which is similar to turning your Instagram profile into professional mode, except, here's the catch, and this one is huge. You can work personal and professional at the same time from one profile without compromising your personal connections and posts. I know, this is amazing. Let me tell you in short what this is. So here's the thing. Meta changed the Facebook algorithm to help us grow reach for our work content, professional content. We can now reach those Facebook users who we are not connected with, but who have shown an interest in the type of content we create and post. All you need to do is make this little tweak in your Facebook settings to turn on the professional mode. And from then on, when you post the content and choose to share it with public, the algorithm will help deliver it to those people who you are not connected to, but are likely to find an interest in your content. This is great news for us professional content creators who haven't been able to get any reach from Facebook for years for the content we organically post on our company page. Now you can regain your Facebook impact simply by turning on the professional mode and then selecting public when you want to post to be shown to people who you're not connected with, and the algorithm will do the rest for you. Listen to episode 139 on the Building a Modern Employer Brand podcast to learn more. This can be a really great thing for all of us. So you can find this episode on modernemployerbrand.com/podcast 139. Easy peasy.